step-by-step guide on how to get rid of molds permanently. Please follow to the end, this is very important. Mold is a type of fungus that thrives in damp, dark environments, like bathrooms, basements, or anywhere there's a water leak or poor ventilation. The reason it keeps coming back? You're treating the symptoms, not the cause. Mold spores are everywhere, but they only grow when the environment is just right. Before we touch anything, safety first. Mold can release spores that affect your health, especially if you have allergies or asthma. Always use a mask or respirator, rubber gloves, safety goggles, ventilation in the work area. Step 1. Identify the source of moisture. Check for leaks in pipes, roofs, or windows. If you don't stop the water, the mold will return. Step 2. Use the right cleaner. For small areas, use white vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, or baking soda. For more stubborn mold, use a mold-killing cleaner with EPA approval. Avoid bleach on porous surfaces like drywall. It doesn't penetrate deep enough. Step 3. Scrub and remove. Scrub thoroughly with a stiff brush or sponge. Throw away anything that's too far gone, like carpet or ceiling tiles. Step 4. Dry completely. Mold can start growing again in just 24 to 48 hours if the area stays damp. Here's how to stop mold before it starts. Fix all leaks. Roofs, pipes, windows, repair them ASAP. Control humidity. Keep indoor humidity below 50%. Use a dehumidifier if needed. Ventilate properly. Use exhaust fans in bathrooms and kitchens. Open windows when you can. Use mold-resistant products. If you're renovating, choose mold-resistant drywall and paint. Declutter and clean regularly. Mold feeds on dust and dirt. Keep surfaces clean and dry. If the mold covers more than 10 square feet, or if it's inside your HVAC system, insulation, or walls, call a professional. Don't risk your health. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more educative videos. And if you've ever dealt with stubborn mold, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what worked for you. Thanks for watching, and remember, clean it once, prevent it forever.